A flawless website is a work of art in the digital age. But every masterpiece needs a finishing touch. Give Feedback is more than a tool. It is your strategic ally in capturing those vital details, allowing users and developers to speak the same visual language. Developing a website involves a constant back and forth of feedback. Traditional methods of collecting feedback are prone to misunderstandings and loss of vital information, leading to endless cycles of corrections that consume your team's valuable time. Give Feedback is the solution. Directly from your website, any team can annotate visual issues and instantly synchronize them with their favorite project management tools like Asana or Notion. With just a few clicks, install our extension and start transforming visual feedback into actionable tasks. No more misunderstandings. Each task is a clear picture of what needs to be improved. Collaborate in real time, see progress and updates instantly, and keep everyone on the same page. Efficiency has never been so visual. Join the visual feedback revolution for free with GiveFeedback.io.